Okay, everybody, today let's learn all about chemistry reactions. But first, we must distinguish the difference between physical and chemical changes. When substances undergo a physical change, the substance only changes in form, not in its chemical compound. Undergoing physical changes does not create any new substances. A few examples of physical changes include ice melting to water, glass breaking, and shredding paper. On the other hand, chemical changes do cause one or more new substances to be formed. This means that the resulting substances have different properties than the original. A few signs indicating that the substance is undergoing a chemical change include heat, change in color, odor, and bubbles or gases. Chemical changes cannot be reversed. Some examples of chemical changes are burning paper, iron rusting, and baking a cake. Now that we have clarified the differences between physical and chemical changes, let's learn all about the different types of reactions.
The first type of reaction that we will learn about is synthesis reactions. During this type of reaction, two or more elements combine chemically to form a new compound. For example, A and B combine to form AB. Similarly, hydrogen and oxygen combine to form H2O or water. Contrasting synthesis reactions are decomposition reactions, in which a larger compound is broken down into smaller elements. In this instance, H2O would be broken down into separate hydrogen and oxygen elements. A unique type of reaction is called combustion. During a combust reaction, an element contains carbons and hydrogens and reacts with oxygen. This results in the formation of carbon dioxide and water. This is always the case, and the products will never differ except for the coefficients.
Two very similar types of reactions are single replacement and double displacement. However, these two types of reactions are also vastly different from each other. During a single replacement reaction, one element takes the place of another element in a compound. Before replacing the element, you must make sure to check the activity series chart. If the element which is being replaced is lower than the new element on the activity chart, then the reaction continues. However, if the element which is being replaced is higher on the chart than the new element, then the elements do not switch and no reaction takes place. During a single replacement reaction, there is always one element that is alone. A double displacement reaction occurs when parts of two ionic compounds are exchanged, resulting in two new compounds. For example, in the second equation, silver nitrate and sodium chloride exchange anions to form new compounds. Silver chloride and sodium nitrate are then produced.
Whenever solving chemical reactions, remember the importance of balancing. Balancing is essential in ensuring the product predicted is accurate, as well as to ensure that the conservation of matter is met. The conservation of matter states that matter is neither created nor destroyed. Therefore, the total mass of the reactants must be equivalent to the total mass of the products predicted, and is why balancing must be done. That's a wrap on today's chemistry reactions lesson. We hope we helped you ace your next chemistry test.